Yeah, it's live already. Too late.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
I mean, on the YouTube side, is it going?
Oh, is it going on YouTube right now?
I don't know.
I,
Jitsi just told us it's live.
oh, okay. No, I hadn't clicked on YouTube yet, so
okay.
to try to delay it a little bit. That was also So we actually have an agenda for today's Delta Rush meeting. Woo! I know, isn't that amazing? Okay,
we're such grown-ups.
No, not just that. I'm actually gonna go do this now. Bam.
Whoa.
Well, I know. Oh, baby.
So professional.
Go. I know. Now we're professional people.
Oh man.
Oh, we're so tired.
So let's start on the new crate release. I've got to make my time here quick because I've actually got a conflicting meeting. Okay. The last time we did a release, we've got a release branch, I think, still, but we basically cut out the Azure stuff. QP, I guess, do you just want to do the same thing again and just like I can prep something?
Yeah, I think we'll have to do the same thing.
I think I do have, I won't commit them to this, but I do have a, somebody may have whispered that they're pushing the team responsible for the Azure SDK to actually cut a release of that crate, which would mean we would get an actual, at some point, hopefully before the end of the year, maybe, fingers crossed, we would be able to cut a Delta crate with Azure support.
That would be great.
That sounds amazing, actually.
I did not get a commitment, but I know that there's people poking. People poking whoever's responsible for that Azure SDK for Rust, which is promising. So QP, we've got a Rust v4 0.4x branch. Do you just want me to take what we have in main and just create a new branch and just basically replay the quote unquote replay the commits that we did to comment out the Azure stuff?
Yeah, I think we could just merge to the release branch. We shouldn't have any conflict.
Well, with the release branch, it's a Rust v0.4 branch. I don't think we should use v0.4.
Right. Sorry. I mean, like, create a new branch based off that. Like merge the new commit
I see what you mean.
That and then create a new branch. Yeah.
I'll give it a try. I'll file an issue for myself right now to cut a new release. I think, what would that be, 0.5?
Yeah, I think so. There's insane amount of changes since 0.4 release. Lot of good ones, yeah.
So I'll go ahead and get a ticket file. 0.5 Rust crate. And then I might enlist your help and maybe Misha's help to get a changelog sorted for that.
Yep.
Because I think we should actually write some changelog notes.
Yeah, we can crowdsource.
Yeah.
One question I have is, I think Danny, I asked about this before as well. We should be able to write a blog post about this on the official Delta website, right?
It helps when I unmute myself to answer your questions, QP. It really does help that process. I was trying to say, absolutely. So as a quick update, we're currently re-updating the Delta.io website itself, actually. And so with that, it'll actually go ahead and be in better shape for us to go ahead and put official blogs directly onto the site itself, too.
Awesome.
So we're currently working on that right now. I should have an update for all of us by the end, like near Thanksgiving. And as a quick call out, that it's using Gatsby framework, and we can basically post everything using Markdown expressions. So it'll be just a nice way for us to write the blogs.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Occasionally I do something that's worthwhile. So this is one of the few times that I'm actually, I think I might have done something decent. So yeah.
I can't follow that. I should just let that hang.
Yes, we should.
Um,
Let's go with that awkward silence. Yes, absolutely.
It's not like we are live streaming or something.
No, not at all. No, not at all. No.
Well, now I'm worried you might have screwed it up.
let's go look at this pull request. QP, you wanted to talk about it?
Yeah, so just calling drawing some attention to this pull request. It's going to be a major optimization for Delta RS. One of our contributors reported that we are actually performing worse in terms of memory usage compared to the Spark implementation.
Yeah, I saw that.
There is opportunity for us to reduce the overhead by 10 to 100x if we structure the data structure correctly. So this PR is the first step. First try on restructuring internals of Delta RS to go into a more column format so that we can reduce memory usage and improve the performance by order of magnitude. So there's a lot of discussions in the PR, and I recommend anyone who's interested in this project to take a look at the comments and give feedback on whether you have any better ideas on how to do this. But it's still largely in a design phase right now. That's it.
Excellent. Thanks very much. I had just two small call outs. One is that Florian had just pushed in this third one, this basically Delta Lake to work with AWS Athena as part of AWS Labs. So I just wanted to call that out, that that PR just went in. It's still it hasn't been accepted yet, hasn't been merged yet, but the call out was the process has started. So this is pretty cool.
That is really cool.
Yeah. And then, small little thing. I'll go ahead and create a PR and then create an issue about the Golang references, since we probably could use some help from the community to go build that. So yeah, that was just another small call out. So cool. Any other comments or call outs? Those were the four main things for us today, at least that I thought.
Not for me.
I think this is everything I wanted to discuss. Since we have you on record, Denny, when do we get our t-shirts?
Actually, I'm currently working with the vendor to send them out. The problem is that there's about 630 t-shirts I need to send out. So you're going to need to give me a couple of weeks to get this organized. But you'll get...
Florian is first in line.
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. So we got t-shirts plus screen cleaner balls and stickers coming out.
Wow.
So yeah. So I shut the survey down early because I didn't realize how many we would get. So
so popular.
Yeah, it turned out to be pretty more popular than I realized. I'm like, okay. So now I have to get budget approvals. It's like, yeah, we're gonna have to increase the t-shirt budget size again. But yes, on record they will be going out. I'm just trying to figure out how to do it.
Giving you shit.
No, it's okay. It's fine. That's what I'm here for.
Will you share that link to the Athena thing in the Slack channel? I want to take a look at that.
Oh, absolutely. You got it. Let me go do that right now.
And I'll mention this to the rest of y'all. I'm chatting a little bit with Denny later today. I've got some upcoming crazy ideas for things that we can do with Delta RS, but I'll keep everybody posted if we get something fun that we can open source here.
Sounds cool. Looking forward to the announcement.
Yeah, we'll see. All right, I gotta jump to a different call. Sorry. Thanks, Denny, for organizing today, and I'll see you all.
No problem.
Slack.
All right, take care, everybody. Have a good one.
Thanks, Danny.
I think we're good.
Bye.
Later, y'all.
Bye.